Like most of you must have known by now about a bit about us. So let's tell who we are. We are Team Autumn, and we actually aim to promote social interactions. Now, a basic structure of Autumn. It's a proximity-based professional social networking. So it actually lists users in a close proximity. Then you are recommended 3 users based on your professional background and interest, and then we actually enable you to have a chat with them, to act as an icebreaker. You can know more about them, and then you can physically meet with them and grab a cup of coffee and basically spend a quality time. So first, the team. So I am Kumar Abhijit, and this is my teammate Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So I am from IIT Kharagpur, and Pankaj is from Jamia Millia, New Delhi. So he is in his final year. I am doing my master's, so I still have 2 years of left. So this is our home page. Then this will actually be the list of users who are there. So on a map, you will be shown the people who are around you. But since it's a professional-based social networking, we don't want to create a hassle by maybe a user pinging everyone who is there in the map. So that is why we will be showing you 3 recommendations, and you can only chat with these 3 of them and know more about them. So the privacy is maintained. So, and this is how you have a chat with. So this is a chat UI. So some features: simple one-click registration. We basically want people to use LinkedIn, but yeah, if they use Facebook, it's fine. We match professional background and interest. Status update. Now suppose you are at a place, you are a founder of a company, and you are looking for a JavaScript developer, and maybe he's sitting here. So you can just write it that I'm looking for a JavaScript developer, anyone here, and you can actually come up and you can have a chat with him. So there's a built-in chat application, and currently we are not using your GPS, so that because GPS-based applications drain your battery a lot. So that is why we are using your network connectivity to know about the location of the user. So there is this is analysis. This is a case study done by one of the major social media consulting firms, which is called Smith Point Analytics, and they say that proximity-based social networking will have around 226.1 million users by 2016. So why now? So the rise of smartphones. Smartphones are increasing at an exponential rate. Now, LinkedIn launched in India in around 2009, and recently, around 1 month back, they had a press release saying that they have now 20 million users in India, and now India has the second largest number of users on. Okay, fine. Okay, and this is the growth forecast of proximity-based social networking. So it's currently around $108 million in market revenue, but will grow to $1.9 billion. In India, because these are 67% use social networking, then social networking is the primary driver of online activity in India. Then our target users. And based on some of the proximity-based applications which are there, we have predicted our traction rate, which you can see. So this is our traction rate. And this is our roadmap. We'll be now launching on Play Store this September, and subsequently on the iOS and Windows platform as well. And this is our pricing strategy. We are following the WhatsApp model. The first year is free for you, and for the next year you are charged $1 every year. So that's basically very cheap, and it's a good way to have. Okay, and this is our break-even analysis. We break even in the 6th quarter.
Thank you.
Thank you.